Yo, what is going on? It is Tuesday, April 7th, 10:38 a.m. And we did take another trade today. However, I got done pretty fucking dirty. If we take a look, my copy trader decided to not copy my accounts. It copied my bulenoxes, but it didn't copy my fucking alpha accounts. My eval should have been halfway past. It filled me wrong. Like, it filled me fucking $50 too soon. So I didn't get my $200 day, and I didn't get my account back to break even. My account should have only been down 500 now instead of 9 or like 8. So yeah, yeah. I mean, it's unfortunate, but at the end of the day, I need to control what I can control. I need to be grateful that I even won, respect the market, and I need to just continue moving forward. You know, that's 2 wins back-to-back days. Let's continue that momentum. Let's continue with the sharp mindset. Let's continue fading bad trades and continue to look for good trades and adapt to current conditions, because today was another day where adaptations is what helped me get a win, and seeing poor conditions is what helped me stay away from a loss. So let's get into today. Let's break it down and let's go over it, because there's really just 2 things that I wanted to highlight fully in today's market of the day. So let's get into it. So coming into the day, I didn't really have a set bias. We had this Trump low down here that I did want to target, but again, we could have went either way just because it was so much uncertainty. Because on the higher time frame, you can see, yes, we still have overall higher time frame bullish order flow, right? So the higher time frame narrative still is bullish. We were respecting this hourly gap still. So, and then we have the 4 hour. 4 hours consolidating a bit, but again, we were respecting this 4 hour gap. We had inverse this, was respecting the inverse and overall continuing higher, but after about yesterday, we started consolidating. 15 minute, we were looking bearish on the 15 minute because, as you can see right here, just a lot of displacement. So this is why kind of wasn't too stuck on my bias, but the Trump lows, I was not mad at it right at open. We were trading around midnight open, and there was this pretty cool 30-second within here, but not my style of expertise. So we had that SMT at the high. Inverse right here, you could have market ordered right here, went break even right here, but all you would have gone out of it would have been like a 1-to-1 probably. If you place your stops like right here, yeah, you could have gotten a 1-to-1 out of it. That's about it. Not my style of trading anymore. Then we just chopped around a bit, and then randomly we had a pretty good sell-off. Nice little retracement up. Right here is where I want to talk about. So there was this 30-second and 1 minute over here, but it's from 8:17 in the morning, right? So here's it. I love having the 30-second, bro, already. Like, I'm glad I made that purchase, right? And as you can see, one thing I did really like about this trade was how we could see the 1 minute inverse, yes, but if you take a look right here, you can already see, I haven't boxed out, the 30-second is a little bit lower. So I'm obviously going to wait on that 30-second for extra confirmation. I'm going to want the 1 minute for confirmation, 30-second for complete confirmation. Just, that's the way that it's been traded. You know, that's the way that I see that this is traded, and it's nice. It's more calm psychologically, better entries. 30-second just sits a little bit lower, so you're going to want to wait on that. All right. You would have gotten your 1 minute entry, obviously, when this closed right. Where did it close? Right there. That was this was the 1 minute close, this candle right here. So you would have gotten this 1 minute entry, right? You know, stops probably right here, targeting this Trump low for a 1-to-1. Cool, right? However, if you wait on the 30-second, you get better RR, a better entry, a more confirmed entry, right? Could put your stops right here like that. But why did I not take it? One, it was at 8:17 in the morning. Pre-market probably like 9 to 9:29 kind of range is what you're looking more. So when you're looking for it to get aggressively attacked, you're not looking to lollygag around that, right? You're looking for the displacement. Then we also seen, look at how I edged it. Look at all these wicks edging through it. No. Yeah, no. Then it did get inversed. I know myself, I would have went break even right here and gotten break even once we took this little internal wick from before, and then it chops back up, creates a 15-minute gap. ES almost tags midnight open. If we take a look, it didn't actually tag it, edged it by 1/4 of a point. And then we sold off. Okay, so cool. Now on the sell-off, I'm thinking we're gonna get to previous day low, and we leave behind this long ass price leg with a 15-minute gap, a 15-minute gap, right? Like 2 15-minute gaps, right? That's 2 15-minute gaps. Let me double check that. Yes, 2 15-minute gaps, 5-minute gap, 5-minute gap. Well, just 1 5-minute gap tag. No, 2 5-minute gaps. Yes. And obviously, you know, we need to see this price leg rebalance. So I was looking hopefully that NQ sweeps previous day low and we continue higher, maybe get something to this 5-minute, or maybe even get something to this 5-minute. But I wanted to see that SMT created. Like I said in the beginning of this, adaptations is what helped, right? What have we been seeing? We've been seeing that we have not been sweeping sell side, right? We've been edging big name targets, and then we've been continuing higher off of nothing, essentially. Like, there's not really a narrative behind the momentum behind it. You just want to trade what order flow is giving you. And as you can see right here, we start trending upwards very strongly. We invert this 1 minute, correct? But we wait on the 30-second also, which they inverted at the same fucking time, I think. No, they did not. We had the 30 seconds, so we just took the 30-second. The 1 minute, the 1 minute, 10:23, 10 a.m. I low-key should have waited on the 1 minute. It's a fault of mine. However, if I would have waited on the 1 minute, I think I would have gotten fucked. So the 30-second, you know, boom, and then this 1 minute candle shoots us up. Bro, my entry got like, let's see if it shows me where. Hold up, let me see if it gives me the exact, like, where I got orders, stop price filled. $1,325. Says that it filled me at the top. No, it didn't, bro. I looked at the fucking 132. It says that it filled me at the top, but it didn't. I know for a fact it didn't. It said that it did, but I can tell because my account balance didn't get all of it. Whatever. Yeah, but again, it sucks that this is what I profited instead of 3.5K, right? But I have to be grateful that yes, it was another win. You know, I'm getting better. We're breaking out of that shell. April's been looking pretty decent. Thankfully, you know, this week has been a good blessing to be able to sit at home and trade. I noticed the difference. I truly do. Again, very unfortunate that I wasn't able to get my copy trader to fully function with me because it would have been a fucking gorgeous profit again. But just control what I can control. We have one account back to break even. It's $25 down. I just want to give away shout out to my boy Steez, bro. It's a 25K account. I am max alloed on alpha. I'm going to trade that account very aggressively. And yeah, man, just grateful for the opportunity. Going to continue to show up day in and day out. Just super, you know, happy, content, feel good. It stings. It fucking stings, bro, that I couldn't get them copy traded. But hey, man, it is what it is. Let's keep working and let's change my life, man. And to everybody out there, believe in yourself, believe in all that you can achieve, believe in all that you can do, because you truly can accomplish anything it is that you put your mind to. Just continue to work at it. And honestly, I'm saying that, but I need to work harder. That's 100% true. Thank you guys. Peace, love, positivity. Everybody have a blessed day. I will catch everyone Wednesday. Also, this man Trump is wildin', talking about a whole civilization will die tonight. So tomorrow we will find out if that is true. Goodbye.